Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Harrison Mkwa. This is Gary Africa Cars Mombasa. Today we have Nissan AD NV150. Comes with a 1500cc dual drive. So if you want something for family or something to use in business, this van is very good when it comes to cargo handling. It can carry up to 400 kgs, which is impressive. The cash price we are giving it at 1.2 million Kenya shillings. If you want it on hire purchase, we have very amazing hire purchase um, terms. You need a deposit of 350,000. You clear the balance in 12 to 36 months. The second row of seats you can fold it to accommodate more luggage. This car has been in the Kenyan market for a very long time. It has proven to